Hi viewers, this is Dr. Jana and you are welcome to our main stack development, and here mainly we covered the Node.js, and today's video will be focusing on the ExpressJS. So in this ExpressJS we will have some idea about what is this ExpressJS and how to use all the things, and using this thing how we can develop small apps or web pages. That is the main thing we will be focusing here. Coming to ExpressJS, it is a web application framework which provides us with simple API to build websites or apps or backends. All the things we can develop. Either we can develop the websites or we can develop the apps which is used for the mobiles and also the backends. And this Express, it provides a minimal interface to build our applications. That is the main thing. So to start all the things, what we do? We start our terminal. For the starting, you can see it here. This is the start. You can see it here. This is here. It is the start. Here start, here, there. Okay, and here you can directly type it here. There is no issue on that one. Now in the terminal you type cmd to start our terminal. CMD and create a new folder. Any folder you created. I have created the folder ExpressJS tutorials. This is the folder. So change the directory cd. How to do all the things? Just I'll show that one. mkdir space ExpressJS tutorials. Okay, then to enter to the directory cd space ExpressJS tutorials. This is the thing. Okay, then you can create another folder also inside that one. Suppose I want to create Express, same procedure, mkdir space express and cd express. You can go inside that folder. Now we need to create a package, that is the package.json. For that one we write the command npm space init space -y. This is the things you do it there. Then while you are there in that folder, what is the folder you are there? You are inside the E drive, you are inside the ExpressJS tutorials, and inside that you are there in the Express folder. There you have gone for the initializations npm init -y. There I am going to install this Express. Till now Express is not installed. So this is the command npm space install space -save Express. So it will be installed there. So Express is installed or not, to check that one, just in the command prompt type dir space node underscore modules. So it will show you all the things. I will show you all the things how it is showing. Then sometimes because we make a small changes in the code program, so each time you have to run the program, start the server. Okay, but here we can use a package called nodemon tool to restart our server as soon as we make a change to any of our files. Otherwise you have to do it manually. Okay, how to do that one? So for that we go for npm space install -d for the dependency, then nodemon, or npm install -d nodemon. You can write anything, so it will install. Okay, then how do we write our first program? For writing our first program, so inside that folder, what is the folder we created? We created the folder Express inside the ExpressJS tutorials. Okay, I'll show you those things while I'm demonstrating all things. There I'm going to write my first program, that is the hello world. So inside that folder create a file called index.js. Okay, create the file index.js. Now to use those Express, we use var express. Is require express all things. You know how to express. These are in the common JS we are using, but if you want to use here, then you have to import express. That is the, I'll show you the command how to do that one. Okay, then you create an app, var app express. Then using this get method app.get. So this is the root directory, function request response, res.send. This is the method we are using for displaying. So hello world I say, and then I write app.listen. It is the 5000. You can go for that, and then this will be displayed. Otherwise what you do, you can start the nodemon. So usually you run it by the node command, node space index.js, but if you want to run it with the nodemon, then nodemon space index.js, or you can go for the npm space start. So there is a process how to do that one, that I will be demonstrating directly. Just the theory part you get it now. So now we can go to our browser and we can type http localhost 5000 is the port number I have allocated, because 8080 is already occupied by some other things and 3000 is already occupied React.js. So we are putting the 5000 port number, right? Then this is the thing. Then if you go for the routing, here the same thing, var express require express, var app express, then app.get I am putting slash hello. Previously it was coming in the root directory, but in this hello folder it will come, and function request and response same thing. So now when you run it here and you go for this no localhost colon 5000 slash hello, then the same hello world program also it will come. Then we have different methods. You know the different methods are there, get method, post method, all the methods are there. So same thing, var express require express, var app express, this you create app, then app.get method I am using hello, function request response hello world. So you want to post method app.post hello, so all things, then post method is called at hello, the same thing that app listen. Then how actually you go for the routers? To separate the routes from our main index.js, we will use the express.router. This is the things you remember, this is in blue color, express.router, this will be using. Okay, so we create a new file, let create a file routing.js. So this is the JavaScript file you created. Then you type the command there, type the coding here, var express require express, var router express dot router, this is the method what I told you that I am going to use it here. Then router.get function request response, rest.send response.send get route on these things, on things on a router, so write it on a router, 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 right. Then in the post method, on router you might get router, fine, router. So then this is the things you can use in the get and post method you can do. Now how to use that router in our index.js? var express require express, all the things up to this one. Then you use var you put it not things, you put it routings. Okay, routing, routing. So var routing require dot slash routing, both index.js should be now index.js and routing.js should be there in the same directory, and use routing as routing app.listen there. You can do it also like this. Another thing is that use the PUG, you can go for the templating in Node.js and React.js. Okay, so PUG is templating engine for the Express. To install it, what do we do? npm is the node package manager, you know, npm space install space hyphen say PUG. Now we can add the following code to our index.js file, that is app.set, that is the view engine PUG, app.set views, that is dot slash views. Okay, these are things only you added there. Then we create a new directory called views. First we create a directory views, and inside that we create a file called first view underscore PUG. Okay, and we write the following data there, doc type HTML is just HTML file, head is the title hello.pug, and body is these things I am writing it there. So to run this program, we have to add the following route to our app, that is app.get, that is the first template, function request response, and return first view. Okay, these are things it will come, and now you can see when this is there, so it will be creating a file like this. What we did it there, it will convert a file like this, title hello page, and p is a paragraph, and class is equal to class name I am giving greetings, and id I am giving people. Okay, so with this, and the output will be coming the hello world. Similarly, we can go for passing through passing values to the templates. Here you can make it dynamically, var express require express, all the things it there. So the dynamic view, function request and render dynamics. So suppose I put name is equal to BBC Engineering College, and URL is the thing. So when you run this program, it will be connected to dynamically to our website, right? So this is all about the theory. Now let us move to our execution part. For the execution, what we do, first of all, you see that when you type in the start, here you type the cmd, first time you come across this, the c colon users slash Dr. Gunamanijana there. But I want to move to E directory because all my programs are there in directory. Type E colon enter, then you are there in the E directory. Then if you check the directory, what are the directory inside, you find all the directories are there, but I don't have any directory related to ExpressJS. Then what I do, I create a directory mkdir ExpressJS tutorials, right? Then you change the directory cd ExpressJS tutorials, then I enter there. Then you can go for the code here, just to type the code dot. Okay, when you type all the things, you will be there forwarded to the things like this. Then again I created one more folder inside that one, that is the express folder. So same thing, you write it here, mkdir space express and cd express. So while you are here, now you can see what are the commands we have given previously. The same thing we have to do it here. What is the first time, what is the command you put it here? I'll show you all this command. Say I told you that first we created the folder express, and then we change the directory express. Up to this it is fine. Then what we do, I have to create this package.json. For that what I do, npm space init space -y. Once you run it there, this package.json will be created. The package but this line will not be there, and this line number 13 and line number 8 will not be there by that time. Remember, line number 8, that is the I have added. Line number 13, this will not be there initially, right? So then what you do, once you are there, then what you do, then I have to install that express. npm install npm space install space -- save express. Okay, so once you have done these things, then I want to install this nodemon. Then npm space install -g nodemon, that also I install. After the installation, then you have to go to the package.json. In the package.json, you have to add here under this script. You see line number 6 scripts is there, and here by default test it will be there up to this. You put a comma here and write start nodemon space index.js. This is the things I added there, and here after this license is equal to isc, like that it is there, comma, you type :module. So it is a ES6, it will be going for that one, ECMAScript instead of the common this one express. Now once it is done, now everything you want to do it here. Now I want to write a program for that one, index.js. In this index.js, I have written import express, because initially I am going for the var express require express. This, you know, this is the common JS we are using that thing, because I am using the ES6 now. So instead of this line, you write import express from express. Okay, so this is the thing, only you change it here. Instead of line 1, you put it there. Then I create an app, var app express, then app.get function request response rec dot send hello VBC I am writing. Okay, and listen in the port number, these things. When you go for this one, then what we do, see, if you see the dir node dot, because I told you that we have to check it whether ExpressJS is installed or not. If you run this program, what will happen? See it here. When I enter it here, you see it is showing under that module node underscore module. So these are the directory already created, files and directory, everything is created here. You got it now? That is the reason. So there is nothing to worry about that one. Then what you do, then you can make the clear also here. So clear all the things. Then you can go for the nodemon index.js, or you can go for this npm start. If you start the npm start here, it is showing starting the node index.js, index.js, it is there already, everything is there, it is starting. Okay, so now you go to our then you go to our here and go to the location, just to double click here, just to refresh it here. Can you see what is the first program you have given? Hello VBC or hello world, whatever things are you have given it there. You check it here, what is the given? You have given hello VBC. Suppose we want to put it hello world, hello world, WORLD, and you put exclamatory sign like this, shift it there. You see, so just you observe here, I am here, and here just I will save it, and just you observe what is happening here. Control S. Can you see? Again it is automatically restarting. You got it now? So automatically restarting. So I did not start it here. Then you go there and check it there. So it is still there. We see, just refresh it here. It is showing hello world. Okay. So like this, we can in this video we have seen what is this ExpressJS and how to download and install that one, and also how to go for this nodemon and how to go for other things, and also we have written our first program and the hello world it has displayed. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share. In our next part, we'll be going in details about this ExpressJS. We'll be covering all other details. Thank you once again. Take care of everyone. Goodbye.